No.
You are noob dog day. You have injured us.
Luckily, we were only injured.
A few moments later.
I have to choose again. Red or purple? Red.
Nice!
Bear. Wow, what is this? Normal smile or critter smile? Critter smile. Wow, now, mouth or ears? Ears. That's cool.
Yes!
Big eyes or normal eyes? Big eyes. And last change, Bobby Bear hugs. Wow, I'm back.
Now my turn. Brown or yellow? I turn brown. Cool. No. Orange or black? Orange.
Yes, sir! What the hell?
Tongue or full mouth?
Go crazy!
Orange pants or Sonic paint? Orange too. I look good.
Damn!
Orange hands or strong hand? Orange too. Wow, amazing. Weird eyes or normal eyes? Normal. Wow.
What?
And last thing.
Got him! Yes!
And me, green or purple? Purple? Okay, purple feet or Roblox feet? Purple too. What? No, mouth or lip? Mouth. Long tail and short tail? Long tail. Nice. And last one. Let's change. I will become unicorn. White or pink? Of course white.
What the hell?
I'm not changing. Afro or horn? Horns.
Wow.
Normal flower or weird flower? I choose weird. Wow, this looks nice.
Yes!
Unicorn legs or normal leg? Unicorn.
That's pretty good.
Nice leg. Tail or hands? Tail. You're crazy. Now mouth or hand? Mouth. Last one. I am done.
Let's go.
Later.
OMG, we are dead.
I will judge you guys to decide who will be revived. Catnap first.
Let's go.
He was using his breath to make others sleep.
We want to sleep.
Come one catnap. Please. Please.
Here you go.
Bad. He can make 4 jump scare at once.
Beautiful day.
Yes!
I feel like someone is watching me. I was wrong. Wow, nice product. Wait, what that sound? What is that? Time for jump scare.
OMG, it was very scary. Last one for you. Friends put a mask on him and he couldn't attack.
We need to stop him, bro.
Yes, sir.
Hello!
Now he couldn't attack.
What have you done, guys?
Now time for our event.
While they took revenge on you, you go to die.
No way.
Next one, Bobby Bear. He was killing people to make line to toilet.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
This line is too long, but I need to hurry up.
Bruh.
I will make it smaller.
What the dog doing?
What the hell?
Wait, I feel something.
What?
Haha, now I can go without the line.
Why you did that? You are so bad. He was in love with Mommy Longlegs.
Are you sure about that?
Wait a minute.
Well, what the hell?
Hey, take me, not him.
Yes!
You cringe.
What? What the f***?
Hey, it's cute, but you killed someone. He lost his head and needed new one.
Like this.
Oh no, I will make you a new one.
It's so ugly.
I'm so sorry. I can give you a life.
Bye-bye.
Now Crafty Corn. She was using her corn to kill. Show me. Ouch. Every smiling critters had favorite snack. Show me.
This is...
Okay, let me try it. What? Okay, you are so cute.
Yes!
I give you a life. Last one, Dog Day. He drove the car carelessly and killed all of them. What? Let me see. Oh no, you are the reason. You go to die.
No, I'm sorry.
That all today. Please like and subscribe to get free air. Bye bye.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Today, I caught smiling critters destroying Brookhaven and find out the ways to kill all of them.
A few moments later.
Wow, first one. Ouch, it's scary. Let's see your story.
When I woke up, I was tied to a metal plate. And the scientists were there's no escape! I activated the machine and I could feel a great electricity throughout my body. She would change me completely.
Oh no, sad. Now pink.
Finally, I can get something.
Scary.
Yes!
And story.
Come here, child! You're not messing with the police, got it?
My daughter!
Mommy!
Be good and take care!
Then I woke up next to a mysterious big plushie.
Ready?
Why are you doing all this to us?
You are not prepared yet.
It's sad too. Yellow. Next, your story. Oh my god. Now blue. Now catnap. I feel so bad. Let me see your story.
Realized I could electrocute mommy with it. So I started looking for her. And she found me first. I tried my best to use that tool, but somehow it wasn't working well, so I ran. But she was faster and stronger. She knocked me down and I accidentally used a gun against myself. I waked up in the lab. But the doctor was blinded by mommy too, so he—
Oh no, poor you. Time for the unicorn. And your story. Next, green. Next is dog day. And last one. All is done. What next? Wow, I am Catnap. Let's see the next level characters.
Later.
Miss Delight. She keeps smiling, she doesn't lose face.
What the hell?
Now Dog Day with Half Bow Day. OMG my head. Next. It's dead. Now Big Catnap. Next is Gray One. Let's go. And now Prototype. Okay, I survived. Next, the cute cat. Ouch, my head.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Next, the Bunzo Bunny. Cat B. Boxy Boo. Mommy Long Legs.
part of him! You can't do this to me!
Kissy? Now flower. Next daddy long legs. Next Brondino. And last pug pillar. Now upgrade.
Nice.
Wow.
5 years later.
Next challenge, you need to slide from the slide.
Okay, I will have some friends slide down all the slides here. First, rubber slide.
Wait, what?
Wait, who are these? I need to go. Yes, I am out.
My turn?
Oh shit!
Where am I? Who are these?
Huh?
Scary, but I did it.
Now I have to check all the real faces of the amazing digital circus characters. I want to see their real face. What? No way. It's him. Next is Lulalalu Princess. She is my crush.
What?
Wow, she is so pretty.
Yes!
Next Pomni.
Wait a minute, what the hell?
Wow, she is pretty too.
Damn!
Next is Gumagoo.
Let's go.
Oh wow, he is Bebop. Next is Kinger. Why is that guy? Now Ragatha. Poppy? Now Kane.
What the hell?
Oh Lanky Box. That's all. Now I can upgrade. That all today. Please like and subscribe to see my next adventure. Bye bye.
Helicopter!